Hello everybody. Happy Thursday. How are you all doing? Hi. Hi everybody. How's everybody doing? Hi Maggie. Hi. How are you doing? Hope everyone's having a good week. Tomorrow's Friday. Yay! So what is this announcement and why are we live? Any guesses from the title of the live? Hi Emily. Hi. How are you, Emily? So, any guesses of what this announcement is based on the title, Spring Cleaning? So, the reason why we are going live today is to share. Yay! Awesome. Yes, so before I share the news, so these are the Marseille Arlettes. So this is from the Marseille collection, which we dropped last summer. Love these. Hi. Thanks for joining, everybody. So the reason why we want to go live today is that we are, hence the title of the live, is that we are doing a little bit of spring cleaning here at Pinwheelclay. And so we have decided to do a little clear out sale to kind of make room for new inventory that we have coming. Hi, Haley. So yes, so the reason we wanted to come online is to show the different styles that we have as part of this spring cleaning sale. So we have about 20 different pairs that are going to be 20% off. So I'll just quickly go through the styles and I'll post the this live to our grid so you can go through and watch it later to see which styles are going to be on sale. So everything I'm going to show you, like I said, is 20% off. So actually, as of now at 6 p.m. Eastern time, everything should be marked down. So if you see something you like, go online and grab it. So everything I'm showing you, there's only one pair left. So if you've been thinking about buying something or you've been eyeing it for a while, this is the time to do it. It's 20% off. So I'll go ahead and show you the styles that we have. So the first style is from our Barcelona collection. So these are the large arch door. So normally they're $25 and so they're going to be $20 now. So you can kind of see for size how big they are. So that's the Barcelona large arch door. We have a few different styles from the Barcelona collection. The next one is the Hexagon, which are little hexagons on studs or posts. And so normally these are $22, and so right now they're $17.50. So these are fun. The next style is also from the Barcelona collection. These are the Pentagons. So they're, a larger earring on a ball post, but they're still super lightweight. So the Pentagons are normally $28, and right now they're $22.40. So for people that have just joined, so I'm showing the styles that these are the only pair left. So if you're thinking about getting something, I definitely recommend you do that now. So the next style is also from the Barcelona collection. These are the Teardrop Square. These are a little bit smaller than some of the other styles. So the Barcelona Teardrop Square. These are normally $22, but right now these are $17.60. Yes, lots of color. Even more color in the next pair. So these are also from the Barcelona collection. These are called the trapezoid squiggly pair. So these are on posts. So you can see there's kind of the marbling from the original Barcelona slab with this kind of raised squiggly lines in a fuchsia color. So this is also on a post. So these are so fun. We had a few different variations of, hi Marcia. We had a few different styles of kind of like this trapezoid shape. We had some that were on kidney wires, and these are on posts. So we have the same style, but instead of the fuchsia squiggly lines, we have the blue squiggly lines. So these ones are originally 28, and so they're 22.40 now. So I'm just showing everybody the styles that only have one pair left. So we are running a sale, spring cleaning sale. So everything that I'm showing you is 20% off. So the next style is from our Charlotte collection. So these are the Hexagon Links, and these are so fun. These are on posts. So you can see they're different hexagon shapes that come in purple and in this beautiful like turquoise, sparkly turquoise color. So you can kind of move the different shapes around. So if you want the turquoise on the outside, if you want the purple on the outside. So these are normally 22 and also 17.60. Moving on, from the Istanbul collection, we have this stud pack. So this is the marble stud pack. This is the last stud pack pair of the entire Istanbul collection. We had one style that was from the original slab, and this is the marbling. So these are just cute little studs. You have like a little gumdrop, and then you have a little rectangle shape. So normally the stud pack is $15, but now they're $12. Hi, Taryn. So the next style is also from the Istanbul collection. So this is the Teardrop Dangle. So we actually have three variations I'm going to show you. So we have this Teardrop Dangle that has this turquoise topper, and then we have the same style in turnip. So these are also kind of like a medium-sized dangle. So normally these are $25, but they are currently $20. Hi. So for people that have just joined, I'm showing the final pairs. These are the only pairs left of this style that we have in stock. So we're doing a spring cleaning sale. So everything I'm showing you is 20% off, and it's already active on our website. So if you see something you like, you can go and grab it. So the final Teardrop Dangle from the Istanbul collection that's on sale are these marble teardrops. So these are on ball posts as opposed to the others that were on a post. So these are fun. Again, not too big of a dangle. So these ones also, like the others, originally $25 and now $20. The last style in the Istanbul collection that we have on sale are the beans. So we have two colorways. We have one that has this turnip or like fuchsia color, and then we have another that has the turquoise colored bean. Hi. So these are on posts, and they are normally $35. But right now, everything I'm showing you is 20% off, so these are currently $28. It's a great deal for these. I love these dangles. They're nice. They're larger size, but still super lightweight. Moving on. So the next two styles I'm going to show you are from our Portugal collection. So the next style is going to be the small and large square dangle. So they're resin pieces on a ball post, and they're so lightweight, it's like you could hardly feel you're wearing them. So this is about the size. It's this beautiful like port color. So normally the small and large square dangles are $22, but they're $17.60 right now, so everything's 20% off. And the next style in Porto is the texture dangle. So you can see that there is this beautiful texture on this piece here, and the rest are kind of the solid clay. So again, that beautiful port color. So Porto texture dangle, normally $25 and now on sale for $20. We have about 21 earrings that are on sale, so we're almost through. The next one is from our Prague collection. So I love these earrings. These are are multicolored dangles that are on ball posts. So you can see all the colors in the earring. There's like a fuchsia, peach, lime green, like a latte color, blue. So these are so fun. You can either wear them whichever way you like. So if you want to have the dangles on the inside, or if you'd rather have them on the outside. Great fun piece. Thank you. So the Prague multicolored dangle are normally $35, but they're on sale for $28. So I'm gonna share, I'll post this live on a grid so you can go back and watch it, and I'll mention all the names of the styles that are on sale. The next style is from our Savannah collection. So these are the Savannah Skinny Arch. So this is the last pair of the Skinny Arch. They are normally $25, but they're on sale for $20 right now. I love the colors in this collection. It's got like orange and green and like this light blue. Fun dangle, really light, not heavy at all. So Savannah Skinny Arch, normally $25, on sale for $20. Last few pairs we have. So the next one is from our Venice, Italy collection. So these are the Venice Gumdrops. I believe, yes, they're normally $20, but they are on sale for $16 right now. So great deal. These are on ball posts and just little cute dangles, you know, not big at all, super lightweight. So these are the Venice Gumdrops. Beautiful terrazzo with some gold flake. And next up, we have from our Woodstock, Vermont collection, we have the Woodstock Small Arch. So these are the last pair of the entire Woodstock collection. Everything is sold out. So this is the only pair remaining. So if you like the slab, this beautiful cane work with green and light brown, and there's actually a little bit of gold shimmer, which I think is hard to kind of see on camera, but they're so beautiful. These little studs. Yeah, these are great little size. So if you like studs, this is definitely a good pair for you. So normally these are $10, and so they're on sale for $8. Again, a great deal. Lots of work went into building the cane, so these are beautiful. This is the Woodstock Small Arch stud. And the final two pairs we have from our Yellowstone collection, which we dropped in January, are the Scallop Dangles. So these were very much inspired by the Grand Prismatic Spring. So these are normally $25 and on sale now for $20. So these are so lightweight. These are made from translucent clay, tinted with alcohol ink and then resin coated. So these are a nice, fun, almost the same size of the earrings that I have on, the Marseille Arlettes. So yeah, just for size reference. Yeah, so glad you love them, Haley. So yeah, these are super fun, lightweight Yellowstone Scallop Dangles. And the final pair that we have, so I'm just, for people that have just joined, I'm showing the final pairs that we have of these styles. So everything I'm showing you is 20% off. So the final pair are the Zanzibar Angled Rectangle, also made with translucent clay tinted with alcohol ink. So if you love orange, green, these are definitely a fun pair. You can kind of see it glow in the sun and in the light. So these are the Zanzibar Angled Rectangle, normally $25, but on sale for $20. So that's it. So everything that I've showed you, like I said, is 20% off. So everything is, the sale is live now and will be active through Monday, through President's Day, through like 11 p.m., 11 p.m., 59, oh my God, 11:59 p.m. Eastern time. Ooh. So, yes, so there's no code needed. Everything will be applied when you check out. So because also it's a random acts of kindness day, all orders, whether or not you buy anything from the sale, any order that you place with us starting today through Monday evening will receive a special little gift. So if that's not more incentive for you to check out the sale, that's a little something that we want to do. So like I said, I'm going to post this on our grid so you can go and watch and see the different styles that we have. And yeah, unless there are questions or you want to see this different earrings again, I'm happy to show you. But yeah, we wanted to do a live because we hardly ever do lives, and thought it'd be fun to show the different earrings that we have on sale. So thanks everybody for joining. And yeah, I hope you have a good weekend, and we'll see you soon. Bye.